I think one has to be shamelessly curious. People follow you or listen to you only when they find leader is disciplined. Failure frustrates.
If you could give one piece of advice to your younger self at the start of your career, what would it be?
Take yourself seriously.
We welcome you to the panel, sir. If student wanted to implement one idea from your book in their life immediately, what would you recommend?
My take will be responsive, be end to end. If someone has asked you to do something, be straightforward. If someone has written to you something, reply.
As being a student, we don't know talent is more important or hard work.
Hard work. Because I've seen number of people who are talented and they have allowed it to stagnate. And I have seen people that with hard work, they have discovered themselves. They have unfolded their talent and they have multiplied their talent.
There is a common problem among the students is like they focus on the core academics of the college. At that time, they not able to manage time for their side work. So how to keep balance between the core academics and their peer interests?
Yes, it can be problem sometimes, but everyone has 24 hours, from presidents of countries to the commonest man. That time alone, multiple things are done by people. One is to train oneself in this. Yes, there are periods when examinations are there, other things are there, you may miss. But I think if you look that this is the problem and start thinking and reflecting on that, I'm sure it can be done. For example, I've always been a busy executive, but I never surrendered to circumstances. I was pursuing some of my hobbies. It's possible. It is the busiest man who has all the time.
So here many students want to be a startup leader. So what are the top 3 skills you believe a CEO should have?
The CEO must have a compelling vision. He or she cannot afford to be weak on conceptualization that this is possible. And second thing for any CEO is to mobilize the team. And third is risk taking. Taking risk with the project, taking risk with oneself. Something may not click. So resilience, that how do we learn from failure? How failure cannot demotivate for life and how failure can help us to learn all the time.
How was the long-term vision in day-to-day operational challenges? Firstly, we have a long-term vision that says we'll do this. Also being a student. But how did you implement it in day-to-day life?
One is self-discipline. People follow you or listen to you only when they find leader is disciplined. First thing, and it is not only about leader, the entire leadership team at the top. You have to look at organizational habits. So the first thing I started after taking over as CEO was to start a 9:30 morning meeting of all general managers. If someone came late, I would say, look, you are too early for tomorrow's meeting. So discipline is the first thing. And in the morning meeting, there was agenda-less meeting, no business. And in the agenda-less meeting, lot of issues come. Ye nahi ho raha hai, wo nahi ho raha hai, I'm not getting cooperation from this department, I'm not getting cooperation from this department. And in that, we set up a 100-day, very ambitious agenda. And everything was implemented because all these rough edges were sorted out. Collaboration was built. And it was a demonstration project, how fast and quick decisions can be taken with mutual coordination and collaboration.
On a concluding note, if you could give one piece of advice to your younger self at the start of your career, what would it be?
Take yourself seriously. When I started my career, believe me, I was almost running. My first boss was so unhappy, he wouldn't have confirmed me. Eventually, I became chairman of the bank because I trusted myself, because I trusted that my initial experience, the way bank is running is terrible in terms of customer service, staff. And I focused to improve that, focused to fight that, and eventually created India's international bank.
I would request people to question if they have any questions, so we'll be happy to answer.
As you have seen that the Indian banking system digitalized a lot in the last 5 years, what is the one thing you want to change in the traditional banking system of India?
Traditional banking system is already changing now. With regard to digital, I would like to further improve services because today, if digital runs into a small problem, the customer and banks both don't know how to solve it in the sense that we are a huge system. Second thing is persons like me who are senior citizens. Now, as long as digital works, it is wonderful. If it stops, there are different kind of problems that banks are currently. I think a whole lot of education of customers at their doorstep is required. I think that will make digitalization.
What were the key strategies you implemented to transform the Bank of Baroda initiative?
Key strategy are like this. One, how do I organize the genius of people across the organization? I was very clear that 8, 10, 20, 25 people at the top cannot deliver. I have to organize the genius among 40,000 employees across 3,000 branches. How do I reach out to them? It's impossible, and yet must have shaken hands with 20,000 people, looking at eyeball to eyeball, seeking their ideas. And some of the best ideas have come from the ground because they face the customer there, not at the corporate level. I think one of the hallmark of my leadership was organizing this genius at the ground level, motivating them, engaging them, making them feeling part of creating a bank which is transformed.
A very good afternoon, sir. My name is Parth, and I work for the Newton School of Technology as a part of management team. So I just have one question. What is your perspective on the relationship between leadership and power dynamics? I mean, within the organization.
Well, good question to begin. Leaders' job is to understand organizational politics without playing it.
Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time with us and sharing your life experience with us.
I have attended many these things. So many questions, so many wonderful questions. It made me go into my childhood. It made me go on my first day in the job. It made me go into middle management. It made me go into senior management. It made me go as chairman. Thank you very much, ladies.